Y'all look at this Camaro, old school right here. Damn, that looks good, doesn't it? That thing looks good. Look at the lights. Alright y'all, so almost there to where the car is to pay for this. Pay my bill. Pay my bills. Alright, so let's see. Let's see where they got her. Oh, she's right there. See it right there. Right there. Did they wash it? I wish they would have washed it. They got a block, then they're gonna have to move that stuff. Oh yeah. See what else they got. They got some BMWs and stuff here. Most of the BMWs and Volkswagens here, y'all. I see it. They got the car blocked. They're like, I have a spare key to come over here, like jacket or something. I don't even know if they're open. I'm about to find out. They might have closed early today or something. Nope, they closed. Damn, what time did they close? Oh, well, they're closed. Damn, I can't pick it up today. They really got the Ring doorbell, like, they got a BMW truck, Golf, BMW car, truck. This thing right here looks dope with the body kit on the front. But y'all, here's a tib. Thought I was coming to pay for it today, but I guess I can't pick it up now until like Monday. But y'all see it. They put the floor mat in there. That's what's up. It's locked. That's good to know. Yeah, this definitely still needs a bath. Got the Range Rover over here. That big ass Lincoln sitting over there in the Jeep. This thing is blacked out. Look at the pipes on that. Thing looks nice. Look at the rims. I'm here. Might as well get some content, right? I think this X3 was here last time. This thing right here, this thing is clean. I don't want to make the alarm go off. That thing is nice. They got a truck over there. Convertible. The old school Beamer. That sucks. Well, we won't be picking up the tib today, y'all. So there's my dream car right there. I see it right here. It's my dream car. A little ding over there on that F-250. Well, we won't be picking it up today, y'all. So when we pick it up Monday, then I'll show y'all. But we might as well go get a walk around here soon. Okay, y'all have my finger in the way. With the old school right there. Old school Mercedes. Now I gotta try to get the heck out of here. Why is somebody just sitting right there on the side of the road? They really got the Ring doorbell over there. Like, that's funny. Is he coming over here to look at this? He thinks it's a dealership? Maybe it's not a dealership. I hate trying to get out of here. It's hard to get out. I think just those two cars are for sale right there. That's the BMW and the Benz. But they've been there for a while. White walls on that. in here, look. Need to pull up.
They fell for the trap.
That thing is pretty, y'all. Pretty shiny black. Y'all look at this. That joint look pretty nice, huh? Alright, y'all, so I'm going to going to pay for the Tiburon today now. As y'all see in the video earlier, went to pay on Friday. Today's Monday now. Friday that they were already closed, so ooh, a nice little Corvette over there. Y'all can see right here. Hold on. See the money in my lap. This is what it's gonna cost me to freaking pay the bill of the work that they did to the car so far. So yeah, when I guess we'll drive or have it towed, you guys will see that. The spread them out. That's what it's gonna cost. It's gonna be over $500. Got over a $500 freaking bill over there at the freaking shop, the mechanic shop. So I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, y'all, we're almost there. About to pull up. Y'all see the Tib in just a moment. Tiburon. Right there. They're gonna have to move that SUV. Can't leave my car blocked in. Here to pay for the Tib, to pay the Tiburon bill. I don't like that gold front on that Mercedes. That looks weird. Woo. They are ready for Christmas up in here. A little Christmas tree busting. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna pay for this. Y'all see these are the parts we placed right here. And the other one right there. You can see them. Okay, cool. The slave and the master, so y'all see it right there. That's the key thing. We got the Audi truck SUV right there. This BMW Supreme. Why they had to put the Supreme on the front? The Q7 right there. He about to move this. He got to jump it. This little jump box. So jump it back and gotta stick this thing right here. Y'all saw this earlier in the video. This thing pretty nice. Good. That Beetle look good. Range Rover over there. Lip sitting low on this thing. Got no space. Y'all got to hit a first start on the Tiburon. See, y'all see the body control module needs to be replaced. That's why that light stays on. Oh, y'all hear it? First start. Sounds just like a regular car. Thing smells with the balls. Don't break my shit. Oh, y'all, I'm about to like lose it. Yo, the first time seeing the thing start and drive, the exhaust smells like shit though. Don't sound too bad. You would think it'd be louder with the exhaust on there, but it's not loud at all. Super quiet. But it starts though, y'all see it. Y'all see the back tail light. This is because of the body control module that it doesn't stay on. I mean that it doesn't go off, because that body control module needs to be replaced so that light stays on. All right, thank you. Let me see. The light just stays on because of the module. But yeah, at least it's not blinking, because before I think it was blinking. But this is why the body control module needs to be replaced, because this light stays on. As you can see, the lights are not turned on. The headlights are off, and you see this one is off. That one stays on. You already saw I cleaned the interior and all of that stuff. You see, there's only 102,000 miles on the dash and some change. I don't know why on the title it says 104. There's not 104 on there, but see, this one's off, and like I said, this one stays on. So not really bad. Somebody, whoever buy that, they can just go ahead and get the body control module fixed, and drive this as a daily, throw a turbo in it, or they can sell it. It's up to them. Once I sell it, I don't care. So probably just throw it in a storage unit and flip it like that. So, and then it'll just be gone. Now, if it was a GT, it would sound so much better, but you would think the thing would sound badass with those big pipes. Y'all see how the pipes are, how big they are? But nah, it's just, it got a little, when it's sitting there, a little, but it's loud. I mean, it's quiet.
Yeah, you probably.
But everything else looked pretty good on it, right? When y'all looked at it?
Yeah.
Just that body control module.
Yeah.
I'm like, that thing is a pain in the ass.
Yeah, unfortunately we couldn't do anything.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, unless you get a battery and just disconnect the cable, so the battery doesn't die.
Right, every time, yeah.
Yeah. It's a common thing on these cars.
Oh, the tibs?
Yeah.
Yeah, go figure. All right. Y'all about to see it move. I mean, see it run. I mean, actually drive. I keep saying all the wrong shit. Y'all see it actually driving. Look at that. Y'all see it was right there. And actually drive, then you see the light still on right there. So basically at night, if you turn the headlights on, it'll blend in. But yeah, y'all see he moved it over there. You got to see the thing drive and run. Unlike the see, even when you back up, you see the light still stays on right there. Unlike the Audi, you didn't get to see all this. So I'll say I completed the project thing there almost 100%. I'll say 95, just because the body control module needs to be replaced, but everything else got replaced, got the car started. So I'm also just give myself 100, right, y'all? So y'all see it, like, comment, and subscribe to my video, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Y'all see the Tiburon right there.
Yeah, it needs a battery. It's dead now.
Yeah, I'm told the guy I'm gonna take that battery back. Whoever talked to, because I'm like, I just got that battery. No, it wasn't brand new, but I'm like, the thing cost me $52 damn, and then it don't do nothing.
It's really small. I mean, it doesn't even.
Yeah, the guy was like, we don't have the one I ordered. That's not what they gave me. He was like, this one's actually bigger, and I'm like, okay, but I'm like, this is not what I ordered, so I'm gonna definitely swap that battery out.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah. All right, I appreciate it. Thank you. Got me some different wheels in here. Wash this thing. But yeah, y'all see it. It runs and drives. That's all that matters. So we'll be back to pick this up tonight. I'm gonna do something about the wipers because they got the rust color on them, and then you got the fading, the sun damage of the top of the roof, and it's a little faded on the tail, and then faded on the bumper. But the new owner can go ahead and get that fixed up. I really, if it was an automatic, y'all, because I suck at driving the stick, I would keep it. And then you see the sun fade and the sun fade on the gas tank, but and then the wiper needs to be replaced. But that's pretty much it. So then once you do that, you got a 100% great looking little coupe. Oh, they got a garage right there. How come I never knew the garage was right there on the side? I'm slow. I was like, yo, where did they take the cars in? I was like, they did it over there. But they got the whole garage right there. I didn't even know they pulled it in. I'm like, damn, they didn't even know you could drive in right there when you go in the waiting room. Go figure, it's so far back. But, all right, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos, and stay tuned for the next video.